Hello, dear students. How are you? I am sure you all are fine at home. Dear children, today I am going to teach you Standard 5 Literature, Chapter 7. Please, all of you, open page number 66. The chapter name is A Day in the Greens, written by Johanna Spyri. Before we begin, let me introduce the chapter. A Day in the Green is an extract taken from Heidi. Johanna Spyri wrote this novel in just 4 weeks. Heidi is about an orphan living in the beautiful Alps of Switzerland with her grandfather. She befriends Peter, a goatherd with whom she explores the many great sights of the Swiss Alps. Dear children, now I will tell you the summary of this story, and you all of you listen to me carefully. The novel opens with Aunt Date taking her niece Heidi to stay with the young girl's grandfather, a goatherd who lives alone in the Swiss Alps. Date, who has taken care of Heidi since she was orphaned as a baby, has a new job and can no longer care for the child. However, villagers express concern about Heidi living with her grandfather. He is a bitter old man who has become reclusive and has rejected religion. Nevertheless, Heidi is left with him, and the old couple, after some initial reluctance on their grandfather's part, are happy together. Away from her aunt's operation, the little girl's spirits soar, and her goodness and faith soften the old man's heart. She quickly comes to love life on the mountain and makes friends with Peter, the goatherd, and his blind grandmother, among others. Okay, children, turn the page. However, 3 years after leaving Heidi, Aunt Date reappears, having found her niece a job in Frankfurt as a companion to a wheelchair bound girl. Clara Sessman Date believes the change will be good for Heidi, especially as grandfather has refused to send her to school or church. Heidi reluctantly goes, and her departure is especially upsetting to grandfather and Peter's grandmother. Once at the Sessman house, Heidi learns to love Clara and become close to Clara's grandmother, who teaches her about God. However, the servants, Particularly the cold-hearted strain, Miss Rottenmeier, make Heidi unhappy, and she desperately misses the mountains. Ghostly sightings are revealed to be Heidi, whose homesickness has caused her to sleepwalk. A kindly doctor intervenes, and Heidi returns to the mountain to a joyous welcome. At her encouragement, grandfather prays, and the two later attend church. His return to society is complete when he promises to live with Heidi in the village during the winter. Clara later visits, and a jealous Peter causes her wheelchair to break with help from Heidi and Peter. However, Clara begins to walk. A thrilled Mr. Seshman promises grandfather that he will take care of Heidi when the old man dies. So, dear students, this is the summary of this story, and here are some difficult words. You write these words meaning and read it again and again for better understanding. Okay, thank you.